Regional Director, West 1, ISHRAE HQ, Professor Dr. Sagar Sapta Sir, Head of Department Mechanical Engineering, Mr. Pramod Kungavkar, Past President, Immediate Past President, Kolhapur ISHRAE Chapter, Mr. Gopal Biradar, Immediate Past President, Sangli Sub Chapter, Dr. B.S. Gauri Sir, Professor, Walchand College of Engineering, Mr. Ghanshyam Chandre, today's coach taker person and President Sangli Sub Chapter, Mr. Yogesh Gandhi, Mr. Lavani, Vijay Patel, Professor Yadav Sir, Dr. Ranade Sir, and student friends. On behalf of Walchand College of Engineering and Sangli Sub Chapter, I welcome you all for the today's installation ceremony. So, before starting the program, the ISHRAE Indian Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. So this society is a professional society, very vibrant society, and as the society is day by day did the exponential progress in terms of all the field, especially in case of HVAC and our industry. This industry or this society, professional society started in 1991, and for Kolhapur Sangli Chapter, it is started in 2008. The founder president, Dr. B.S. Gauri, take the initiation and start this Kolhapur Sangli Sub Chapter. And after 15 years, the chapter is growth is very fast. And last year, Sangli Sub Chapter is installed. So this is the second installation ceremony of Sangli Sub Chapter with more than 50 members. So I welcome behalf of Sangli Chapter and Walchand College of Engineering Student Chapter you all for this function. So I take the opportunity to introduce today's chief guest. So Regional Director of ISHRAE West 1, Mr. Ajij Kazi. He is a distinguished speaker, distinguished personality in the field of HVAC and our industry. So he is graduated from ISHRAE Mumbai, and he is started his career with the Voltas. Voltas is the one of the Tata Enterprise subsidiary company of Tata Enterprise or Tata Group. He has a very vast experience in the HVAC and our industry. He has more than 25 years experience in Voltas, and right now he is the head of project management MEP with Reliance Industry Limited, Mumbai. So also he has completed his postgraduate diploma in material management from IIM, then Bangalore. He is a project management professional PMP from Project Management Institute, USA. He is the past president of ISHRAE Mumbai chapter and served as the vice president for ISHRAE Mumbai chapter. He has served and serving ISHRAE in multiple capacities like chair of research promotion, trainer of for ISHRAE certified ICT, ISHRAE certified professional for commissioning, member of standard writing committees, convener of the ACREX 2023. He is currently serving as the vice chair for Urja 1 and member of exhibition coordination committee. He delivered many presentations of management topics, including on the project management, good installation practices. He is also author of the published book, The Person of Your Dream, and Focus is Money, Play 100%. So I request you all to give the big round of applause for such a distinguished personality. And